Hello guys, so here is how to install Gnome extensions manually when the web version fails. Navigate to the website, which is Gnome Shell Extensions, and over here you can see unexpected errors occurred, so I can install through the browser. So now I have to select the extension itself and then go over here and select my shell version. This is your Gnome version. So for my case, I'm going to select Gnome 45. And then under extension version, make sure to select the latest one. It will download. After downloading, now I can select the zip file, extract it, and then copy it to the directory. Inside the home directory, there is a folder called .local. If you can see it, press Ctrl H to show hidden files. Then inside local, go to share and Gnome shell, and then extensions. Paste the file in here, then open inside and look for the metadata JSON file, and in this file look for the UUID, which is right here. Copy, navigate backwards into the extension folder and rename that entire folder to whatever the name you copied. Close that, and then you can now reboot your PC. After restarting, go over to extensions and you should see your extensions listed over here. As you can see, they manually installed. I have dash2dock and the user themes, but this one doesn't seem to have worked. For some reason, dash2dock worked, so must be an issue with the user themes. Anyway, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.